How to capture web page snippets like a pro. Sometimes you may need to grab only just a specific part of a web page instead of making a full page screenshot. FireShot provides a special mode to perform such tasks in a convenient way. To capture a rectangular area, simply click and drag across the portion of the page you want. When you approach the page boundaries, FireShot will automatically scroll, ensuring you can include everything you need. For additional control, press the Alt or Option key while dragging to select the full width of the page. While dragging, press the Control key to capture a precise rectangular selection. To capture up to or starting from a specific point, move your cursor to the left or right margins of the page. In FireShot Pro, the advanced selection tools make it easy to capture individual page elements, even if they have their own scrolling area. To capture a specific element, hold the Control key as you move your cursor. FireShot will highlight the element located under the cursor. If an element contains scrollable content, FireShot will highlight it in yellow, indicating it can capture the entire scrollable area. Just keep holding the Control key and click to select it. Congratulations! Now you know everything you need to capture web page snippets like a pro with FireShot.